Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to solve another interesting exponential equation, that is 3 to the power x minus 2 to the power x is equal to 65. Now we have to find out the value of x. So let's start. Let's start the solution. We have 3 to the power x minus 2 to the power x is equal to 65. Now we can write the expression as 3 to the power x to the power 2 by 2 minus 2 to the power x to the power 2 by 2 is equal to 65. Now we can write the expression as 3 to the power x by 2 to the power 2 minus 2 to the power x by 2 square is equal to 65. As we know that a to the power m n is equal to a to the power m to the power n. Now let 3 to the power x by 2 equals to m and 2 to the power x by 2 equals to n. Then the equation becomes m to the power square minus n to the power square is equal to 65. Now we know a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Now we are going to apply the same here, so it becomes m plus n into m minus n is equal to 65. So the 65 we can split like 13 into 5 or minus 13 into minus 5. So it may becomes like this: m plus n into m minus n is equal to 13.5, equation 1, or m plus n into m minus n equals to minus 13 into minus 5, that can be expressed as equation 2. So for case 1, where m plus n into m minus n is equal to 13 into 5. So we comparing this m plus n equals to 13 and m minus n equals to 14. So it becomes m plus n equals to 13 and m minus n becomes to 5. So if we add these two, we get twice m equals to 18. Hence m equals to 18 by 2, it will cancel out like 9. Now we put the value m as m equals to 3 to the power x by 2. So m equals to 3 to the power x by 2 equals to 9. Therefore 3 to the power x by 2 equals to, we can write 9 as a 3 to the power 2 or 3 square. Now both the sides base are same like 3, so we can write x by 2 equals to 2. Therefore x is equal to 4. Now for case 2, if we consider that m minus n equals to 5, then and m minus another, if we consider the another solution, m minus n is equal to minus 13 and m plus n equals to minus 5. If we do that, then we are going to just adding them. So after adding them, we are getting twice m is equal to minus 18 and m equals to minus 18 by 2 cancel out equal to minus m. Therefore we are going to put the same like m equals to 3 to the power x by 2 here equals to minus 9. Now we are taking log both sides, that is log 3 to the power x by 2 minus equals to log of minus 9. Therefore the equation becomes x by 2 log 3 equals to log of minus 1.9. So equation becomes like this: x by 2 log 3 equals to log of minus 1 plus log of 9. If we multiply both sides by 2, then it becomes 2 into x by 2 log 3 equals to 2 log of minus 1 plus log 2 log 3 square. Then it becomes like x log 3 equals to 2 into I pi plus 4 log 3. Actually we know the value of in complex number log of minus 1 equals to I into pi. So we are putting here this value. Now we get the value of x like x is equal to 2 pi I by log 3 plus 4 log 3 by log 3, and again that would cancel out and it will be the result. So hence we get two solution of x. One is x is equal to 4 and another is 2 pi I by log 3 plus 4. So I think you have understood the explanation. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video. Have a great day. Take care. Thanks.